In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workweek settings in Wrike. Whether you're switching to a 4-day workweek or simply adjusting your hours, we'll guide you through this process step by step. To begin, log into your Wrike account. If you have a Google account linked, choose the option to log in with Google, then select the account you wish to access. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface where your profile photo is located. Clicking on your profile icon is the first step towards navigating the settings you need. After you've clicked your profile photo, some options will drop down. Look for and click on the Settings option. This is your portal to adjusting various account preferences, including your workweek details. By accessing the account settings, you're able to customize your Wrike environment to better fit your unique workflow. Within the settings, you'll find the account management portion. Navigate here to further dive into the specifics of your account, including your work schedule. The key here is to find and select work schedules. This section is where you'll make the changes necessary to tailor your working days and hours. Now let's get to the core of this tutorial, editing your workweek. Click on the Edit Workweek button you see on the screen. By doing so, you are opening the interface that allows you to define the specific days and hours you are considered to be on the clock. Once you are in the Edit Workweek section, it's time to adjust your work schedule according to your needs. Here you can select which days are included in your workweek and also specify the beginning and end times for each day. The flexibility of this feature allows you to design a schedule that makes the most sense for your productivity and personal life balance. After you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made, click on Apply Changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that the modifications you've planned out are recognized by the system. Before you wrap up, double check your new schedule to ensure it aligns perfectly with your intentions. Finally, to save everything you've done, click on Save Changes. This final click is crucial as it solidifies your new schedule, ensuring that Wrike reflects your updated workweek preferences. Now you're all set. Remember, updating your workweek in Wrike can greatly enhance your efficiency by providing a schedule that matches how you actually work. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make further adjustments, or if your workweek changes again in the future. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.